There you go, ladies and gentlemen. The special awards have been awarded for High School Prom 2011-2012. Once again, we have the darling of the crowd, Mr. Melesio Piano Jr., the face of the night, Miss Jamie Nalo, female head turner, Maria Nikki Gavides, male head turner, Alexander Alceveros, and guest pair, Miss Leydan Rosales, and Mr. Gobernador Bustamante Jr.
What's up?